In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete liked videos on TikTok. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Okay, right now, this is our TikTok feed, right? So I'm going to just click on this video, right? I'm going to like it. So if I head over to my profile right now, if I click on this liked, you're going to see this video came out as one of my liked videos, right? So I'm gradually going to open this video right now. Open it, right? Once I've opened it, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to unlike it, right? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna refresh my page. You're gonna see this video is not gonna appear again. I'm gonna just refresh my page right now. Okay, I just refreshed my page, and if you look right now, you're not gonna see that video again, right? I think there were like 5 videos here, and the video was appearing before this video, right? So this is basically how you can delete like videos on TikTok. Just unlike the video, and the video is gonna go, right? This is how you can do this. If you find this video, I appreciate your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the next one.